If your Roomba's anything like my Roomba, then it's only running for like a couple minutes or not running at all. The battery's dead and needs to be replaced. So that's what we're gonna do in this video.
Please charge Roomba.
How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video, we're going to replace a Roomba battery. Ours only works for, I think, like runs for a minute or two, and then it gives us an error. It still charges on the dock. It's still lights green, but then just the runtime's super duper short. But luckily it's an easy fix. The batteries are easily available. And this video will help a lot of different series of Roombas. I believe the battery is pretty much the same for like the 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900 series. Go Roomba for using the same battery for all your series. I think there's a couple models that it won't work with. I will put a list in the description to compatible models just to make it easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and let's get into the tutorial and get this Roomba working again. So for my robot, the model 655, it's gonna be very similar, if not the same. You're gonna have to take out these two screws down here. You're gonna have to take out these two screws up here. And there's one more screw, and then you gotta take off this thingamabob to pop off the shell, and you will see how easy it is to replace the battery. You're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver, and then maybe like a flathead screwdriver. And when I say Phillips head, it's like the cross, and flathead's just the flat one. Let's take out these 4 screws, and they are marked with arrows. You should be able to see, which kind of makes it dummy proof. Okay, once you get those 4 loosened up, then you can see this bottom plate will come off, but we gotta take this off in order to get it all the way off. So I'm actually going to flip to a flathead screwdriver because this is either a flat or a Phillips head, and just unscrew this. And then we're gonna pull up on these arms, and it should allow this entire thing to release off. And then you're going to pull this plate off. So easy. So stupid easy. All right, now you're going to lift out this old battery, because that's what's giving us battery issues. And then take the battery that you got off of Amazon. It was like $16 or $17, super cheap. It says it's a 500 series battery. It also will fit my 600 series robot. I will put a link to this in the description with all the compatible iRobots that it will fit. And then you're just going to take that battery, and then you're going to place it in. It only goes in one way. It has this little ridge that matches up to that ridge there. You're literally just going to drop it in, and then your robot should chirp, and then you're gonna put this back on. Then you're gonna wanna tighten down the screws that you took out. And then you're gonna plop this bad boy back on, and then tighten that screw back down as well. That is pretty much it. We're gonna throw this back on the charger, let it fully charge back up to green light, and then we're going to run it, and it should be good to go. Happy Roombas. So that did fix my Roomba. It now runs like it should, no more 2-minute runtime. I don't even think I've let it run until it dies. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if it fixed your Roomba, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.